Welcome back to another video, guys. You guys get something very special today. 2 videos in one day. Harley Davidson just released some amazing news on their website. So it is also August. Around this time is when Harley Davidson does their shows and everything, and we get to see all the new bikes, new parts, new paint jobs, new clothing, new apparel, new everything. Obviously this year, due to COVID and due to new management, new CEO, things have changed. So now we're gonna get all these new things in January. Is no longer gonna be in August. But with that being said, I'm pretty sure they wanted to, you know, bring out some good around this time right now, just to the fact that everyone's used to receiving everything around this time of the year. So they did drop the 131 now, which is available for Softails, which has Softail owners, including myself, thinking, let me turn my 107 or my 114 into a damn beast. A 131, I mean, come on, you imagine a 131 on this bike, man. That's a whole lot of torque. A whole lot of torque. Now they also released different stages, so you could do stage 3, stage 4s to these 114s to bring it up there. If you want to go ahead and buy the whole engine, it's gonna cost you around $6,000, so that's a whole lot of cash. A whole lot of cash. Now with that being said, there's also new parts, so go online, go check out the Harley website, go into the parts, you'll see everything that's for new arrival, you'll see the new stage kits, you'll see the new, the whole engine if you want to buy it. There's also a few little parts here and there, and they also added new wheels as well. Not a big crazy fan of the wheels, but they're okay. I guess I gotta see them a little more, but they're okay. Now drop your thoughts down below, let me know what you guys think about, a 131 on a bike. Like I can't just imagine, man. I've been thinking now. I'm gonna see what it's gonna cost me to do a stage 4 on here to make it into that. And, you know, it's gonna be a lot of money. I just want to turn this bike into like a fire-breathing machine, like flying dragon, a Harley eating monster, an Indian eating monster. At that, right? All right. So for all you Softail riders out there, will you be upgrading? Will you be doing a stage 3 or stage 4 to your bikes, where you're gonna be converting your 107s or 114s into 131? Let me know, drop your comments down below. Also, let me know what you guys think about this whole deal thing about not dropping everything in August and moving forward to dropping everything in January. I think it's a pretty good idea. I'm just, you know, we're obviously used to the whole August drop thing, but January obviously makes more sense from a business standpoint of view, due to the fact that spring is right there and that's when the riding season. And obviously when I say riding season, I mean riding season for those of us who live up here northeast, who have winters. Some of you guys in California, some of you guys in Florida don't have to worry about that. Talking about California, I want to go visit California. California. Also guys, earlier today I dropped a video. I got my 2020 Lowrider S compared to the 2019 Lowrider, which is the same model. Go watch that video. Let me know what you guys think about the comparison. If you are in the market and you're looking for a Lowrider S or a Lowrider, it's a pretty good video for you, so check that out. Like always, if this is the type of content you're into, if you want to find out any new Harley Davidson news, bike builds, bike reviews, and anything else, you're in the right place. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It's gonna notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Hit that bell button. And if you are waiting for more Harley Davidson news, hit that thumbs up button. I got something else I want to talk about in a few days as well, in regards to the Bronx and in regards to the Pan America. So tune in for those videos. Like always guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.